In this video, we're gonna check if Oukitel OKT1 has a dual SIM card slot. So in order to do this, first let's locate where the SIM card slot is, and for this tablet it's located right here. So we'll need to put our needle in this gap right here. Now let's put some force into it. Here it opened, now we can access it. And from here let's check how many SIM card slots it can fit. So here's SD card, here's a SIM card, and here's also, like when you put it on this side, it has a double SIM card slot, as it says right here. It might be not clear to be seen for you, but this confirms that the tablet has a dual SIM card slot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.